Hopper's fixing to go up for auction. We're fixing to take it down here and clean this inside out and get all our cruising the coast out of it. Let's see here. We've got videos of it for days. There's our cruising the coast sticker. So bear with us while we go get all our cruising out of it, and we'll get you some, we'll attach some videos of cruising, and we'll get some pictures to it. While we're cleaning, we cleaned underneath the hood a bit. I was going to show you, it's bone stock. See, now, I say bone stock. It does have fin aluminum valve covers. It's got a set of Hedman headers, and it's got an Edelbrock full barrel intake. Now, whether if it's a 305 or a 350, who knows? I got it from a Marine in Alabama named Cannon. Good dude, fixing to have a baby. Cannon, if you're watching, congratulations. I need to send you a Red Bank Classic baby onesie. But runs like a top. We put 2,000 miles on it in October. No problem. Had to go to the emergency room in it. There was an accident and had to transport my son to the ER in this unit. And maybe we'll put a clip of that in here too. We had to make a detour. And we are on the way. But it's new brakes, new tires, all new lights, headlights, tail lights. New grill, new headlight bezels. The interior's got new carpet, new dashboard, new windshield. Mechanically, she's sound. And the paint is only 6-7 months old. Well, she's a unit. I drive her anywhere. And I have. October, I went everywhere in it. And we had to run to the emergency room. We ran 85 miles an hour. And man, what a sight to behold. The police officer at the accident was telling me, turn on the lights and get in there quick. But we never hooked the lights up because our Mississippi Highway Patrol told us non-functional, no problems. So that's the way we left them. But it is the correct light. It is a Code 3 MX7000, same one Hopper had. As far as the inside's bone stock. It does have a set of cat-eye front seats, which worked out great for us because we was able to haul 6 people in it. The gauges we went through, cleaned all the lenses. Everything works. Got a nice CD player in it. Tilt cruise. It is a Silverado, so it's tilt cruise, power windows, power locks. No air conditioner. I guess Canon at some point did some modifications, and I don't know if Canon did it or the guy before him did it, but somebody took the compressor off, but everything's there to put a compressor back on it. So if you want to run air conditioner, get you a compressor, charge it up, and you should have cold air, hot heat, and everything on her works. She's a good rig. You're clear. All right, this is riding in Hopper. Like I said, everything Hopper, you can take it anywhere. It's great oil pressure. Pretty well pegs a needle, and it's got a new oil pressure sending unit. It's never ran hot with us. She's ran about 180, 190. And again, this is 2,000 miles of driving, and some of it was in a hurry. Hopper will bear the needle. I know she'll do 85 because we were going to the ER. We had to hit it. But ride's great. You can see all our bugs on the windshield from cruising. We got a spot up here we like to take pictures with. And that's your power window for your rear. You can see it. It's got power windows on the doors. It's got power locks. We got our pictures took. And man, it looks like Hopper sitting down there on this dirt road, don't it? All the oak leaves on the ground. We've got a piece of asphalt that come from Hawkins High School, and I'm gonna insert our buddy's name right through here somewhere. If you're looking for some memorabilia that came off the set, he's got it. So let's get her back and get some of this stuff uploaded.
cigars in here. Oh yeah, y'all go ahead.
This is Tuesday night before season 5 drops. I gotta show these lights put in tonight. Pay no mind to the dew on it. How cool is that? We've got LEDs in the interior light. We ran a rope light in the back because we ran a smoke machine in it when we were at Yogi Lake. So it fogs up, and boy, it looks cool at night with a smoke machine on. I thought that was worth a look.